Hello people, this is Boubou from Paris, represent Criminal Crew. I'm from Prodige. So, first day in Fair Play Dance Camp. The energy was crazy, student was perfect. The place is very good, so I'm very happy to be there and teach for the first time. So thank you Fair Play and thank you all students for coming and giving me the energy. Peace.
What up, y'all? It's Lyle Beniga here for Fair Play Dance Camp 2018. Just finished my first class here for on the first day. It was amazing, per usual. Energy was great. Everyone was excited. Everyone was giving their all. They were laser focused, but then at the same time, just having a good time, enjoying dance, enjoying the music, enjoying each other, the vibe out here. It's always 100 out here. So much love to you guys. Appreciate y'all. See y'all 2 days. Got one more class. Stay tuned. More action.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Lionel Wilkins back again, representing everything and your mama today. We're back at Fair Play 12th edition, 2018. I told you I'd be back. I'm here every year. I love it. We got new folks today. Energy was good. Even though we had lunch, it was a little heavy, but they gave me the energy and I gave them the energy. And that's where we're gonna start off the year really, really good. And now we're at the summer, getting really, really down so we can turn it back up and raise it up some more and hit the parties later on tonight. Cool? So I'll see you guys for the rest of the week and I'll be here. Catch me on the flip side.
Hey, what's up? It's Karan. I just finished teaching at Fair Play. I just taught my first class. It was awesome. It was the last class of the night. I know they were really tired, but I think they had an awesome time. I can't wait to teach tomorrow, where I teach the first class. And I get to pick a choreo killer in class, so stay tuned because it's about to be lit.